Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about input tags in Visualforce. Input tags are used to get user input for any standard or custom object fields. These are the number of input tags available in Visualforce. Apex input secret, Apex input checkbox, after that input file, input hidden, input field, and last one is input text area. For example, if you want to create registration form, it contains this label: first name, last name, password, gender, and address. Here, user can enter the data. Here, we can use Apex input field type. Here also, we can use input field tags. Here, in password, here user can enter the password of users. Here we can use Apex input secret tag. After that, for gender, here we can use input check box tag. After that, in address, here we can use input text area tag. In this way, we can use input tags to create registration form. In next video, we will create one form by using input tags. So please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.